Hello again, and part 3 to Royal FP project, well, Project FP. Anyway, this is the backplate section of the typewriter. Obviously, it's a Royal, and here we see some glue that's held in a foam section at some stage. Now the foam has deteriorated dramatically. It's just a powder. When you touch it, you feel it crumble underneath your fingers. There's still some substantial sections of it, but of course the moment you touch it, it turns to dust. I'm guessing that's there for sound deadening. There's hints of this glue sort of stuff all over parts of the typewriter. Again, I'm guessing that this was meant to be sound deadening at some stage. Anyway, that's what I thought I'd show you. I'm still having fun with this. I'll see you soon.